Good.
Oh, explore muna tayo. Explore muna tayo. Okay. Sana all may fireplace. Walang lingas. Sana all. Nadidinig ka na naman. Hindi. Ang mga vlogger naririnig ko. Sa voice ay pinatulan pati pambata ha. Ayan o, may eagle pa. Ganda dito ha. Sulit ang $85. O kaya nga. Ganda ka. Yun na, Skyway. O, Agila naman tayo. Ah, may siyang kuwan.
Ah, dito may photo op.
May photo op.
May picture dyan.
Ayun, capture golden moment.
Yan.
Scan here.
Hey, yung ticket. Kung gusto mo pa picture. Hey, look at the camera.
Yeah, I saw it, son. Ah, nag-insta na. Nag-insta na ikaw. Utoy ko lang.
I'm the oldest, remember?
You're my utoy forever and ever. Amen. Ganda nga, no?
Yeah, it was that good.
Oh, yeah. Oh, ako ang una.
Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. There is the street bridge.
Yeah. She understand that. Oo na kayo kung gusto nyo. Una kayo. Mapasama kayo sa channel. Sa... Bella, dali, quick.
Chase. Yeah, calm guy nowadays. What happened? Nilagyan ng mga baril kasi baka may mga bear na umani.
Oh, gayon palang purpose nun.
Oh, di naman. Ang ano lang kasi pag may makita ka, huwag ka lang aggressive.
At saka kaya lumalapit ang bear, naamoy nila sa basurahan, di ba? May
Ano ka
pagkain.
lang, sunset ka lang.
Ayun.
Oh, this is scary. I went zipline before.
Boys, how's our trip so far?
Bad. It's good.
It's good?
I'm joking, it's good. Oh, look at that. Look at that.
There's another one.
You see the industrial side of it. But why go over there when you can keep this one right here?
Nakalimutan ko yung sombrero ko.
Meron pa.
Oo. Here we go, guys.
Walang photo dito, walang picture.
So let's go. Let's go na. Let's go. Oh. Dami na, showcase ko lang to.
As you take in stunning views of the spectacular Columbia Valley, nestled between 6 national parks. The bridge you're about to cross is 150 meters long, spanning the canyon 140 meters in the air. Beneath your feet floors Hospital Creek Falls.
Look at guys. Wow. Go. Bakit tayo sama-sama?
Asama ka, magganyan ka. Ganun mo, parang kuha kami.
Antay, wait. Ay, natatakot ako. Huwag kayong magulo. I'll go first.
Go, go, go.
No, I'm doing it. Let me
No,
hold
no,
it.
no, I will do it.
Hello.
Go.
Ikaw, be? Ikaw muna. Ano, be? Ikaw, umauna ka na. Ala!
Utay, ikaw ang may dahilan eh.
Utoy, ikaw may dahilan. At na, mapangatawaan ko na to. Huwag kayong magulo. Ang uga ninyo. Huwag kayong mag-gwiggle, sabi. Kakainis. Babalik tayo. Ay, o sa una lang pala makatakot eh. Dapat tayo ba? Grupo tayo, di ba? Grupo tayo. At kano mo no? Pakakawa nyo no? Look guys, oh. Ang lamig. Ay, tinan mo naman ako tayo, oh. Boys! Huwag kayo mauga, boys! Nay, isa ka pa! Uy, nahihilo ako. Ito naman. Hala!
Alice, oh?
Ah! O, balik tayo.
We have to go that side, you know?
Ah, sige, te.
Hands are sweaty and cold.
I did it! Uganin nyo, mga salaw kayo. I did it. I'm certified Golden Sky Bridge now. Look at same as. So cold, isn't it?
Saan yan?
But how are we gonna get to the road? Yeah.
Okay. Thanks for recommending us here.
I already have a
Look at the boys.
It's the best.
Yeah.
Told you.
Oh, it's good, huh? Pero akay muna ang mami. May video ako.
Sabi umaraw para ano yung lamig.
Hinay lang, hitang gumadali. Kaya nyo boys yan, cha-challenge ko kayo. Ayoko na.
Pwede sila dyan, oo.
Where's that at?
Yeah, you can do it.
Yeah? I did it once. You talking about?
Really?
Yes.
O meron yan sa kuwan, sa
Yeah, they can do it
fragmenter,
here.
sa kuwan, doon sa pinuntahan namin sa Mount Pilato. Pero kuwan yan, no?
It's closed. Oh, it's closed.
Extension. Intense bala. Intense, sorry.
Ooh, coming firm.
That's where we come from. Sama. Yun.
I'm not feeling watch me. Hey, we could see the rails thing over there. Philip, we could see the rail thing. It's right here. Looks like it's closed. Oh, it's open. Yeah, the whole thing's open.
Doon na zipline guys. Going there. And there. Yan ang zipline.
You were
haba. Ang haba ng coaster.
You go back up here.
Sa lalay.
Diretso na tayo mo.
Sa lalay ako. Facebook mo. Practice muna kaya ako doon. Practice muna ako dyan. Rail ride and mountain coaster.
Dito yata simula eh.
Oo, yan yan. Lang. Ako matapang yung dapat dito ka pala, be.
Oo, dapat dito ako.
Saka doon sa likod. Dito sa atin maghihintay muna dyan. Sa sky.
Pero go, Dib.
Jed.
Yeah, you just gotta let it go all the way back,
Jed,
and
5,
then
6,
pull it all the way
7,
out again.
8. Okay, 9, 9,
Someone record me on this phone.
5, 6, 7, 8.
I need help. Wait, someone
What?
take my. Can someone record me on my phone?
You pull back, that's gonna slow you down, right? If you're scared around a fast corner and you want to slow down, you just pull up a little bit. If there's an emergency, pull back super hard and you'll come to a full stop. Don't want to see anyone on a full stop out there unless there's an emergency or anything, though, alright?
So you
Awesome.
just pull it back to
Yeah,
brake.
pull back to brake, push forward to go. So you're not going to have to do that when you're being pulled up.
Okay.
But the second you start the down track, you want to have that push forward. If you want the most exhilarating time, just keep it fully pinned down the whole time and you'll have a super exciting time, alright?
Yeah. What if to get too close? These lights.
No, so see those yellow signs there?
Yeah.
So that's the distance we want to keep between us and the riders in front of us.
Okay.
The carts do sense each other, so if you get too close to someone, your cart's going to start beeping at you. So if that happens, just slow down a bit, let the person in front of you get some extra space, and then keep going. Other than that, we're going to keep that seatbelt done up the entire time. Going to keep the hands on the handlebars the entire time. No using one hand to do a phone, one hand to do the handlebars. And feet in the vehicle, and that's about it. Awesome. So just give me a brake check. So pull back for me. Perfect. You're ready to go. Push forward. Perfect. Awesome. So you can push forward a little bit. Yeah. Not too fast.
I'm scared.
Pull back to brake. Yeah. Alrighty, give me that brake check. Pull back and push forward. And keep pushing forward. Perfect. Awesome. An inch forward for me here. A little bit more. Perfect. Awesome. So give that pull back for me and push forward. And awesome. Good inch forward for me there. Not too fast. Perfect. You can get a little feel for how it feels to brake. Perfect. You can keep going forward a little bit more. Perfect. Awesome. Give me that brake check and push forward.
Kung may time ka, pumunta ka doon.
Awesome. You can inch forward for me there. A little bit more. A little bit more.
Pupunta na. Baka hindi ko na makita si Jen.
Awesome, you can undo your seatbelt, hop off onto that side.
Pupunta na ako doon.
Alrighty, give me that brake check, pull back. Perfect, push forward. And you are good to go. Awesome, enjoy.
Bye, see you.
Bye!
Welcome to the Rail Rider Mountain.
How's it going?
Hey, not too bad.
So we got your green wristband there. That's all I need to see.
Oh, okay, yeah.
Beautiful. Awesome, come on down. Why not? Now you get a roller coaster ride. Awesome, hop on in.
Thank you for riding the Rail Rider Mountain at Golden Skybridge. Please exit the ride on the right-hand side. Remember to take a look at your souvenir photo and enjoy the rest of your visit. Thank you for riding the Rail Rider Mountain Coaster at Golden Skybridge. Please exit the ride on the right-hand side. Remember to take a look at your souvenir photo and enjoy the rest of your visit.
Yeah. It's portable toilet, man.
You are approaching the end of the ride. Be prepared to enter the off-road.
But then not yet.
Thank you for riding the Rail Rider Mountain Coaster at Golden Skybridge. Please exit the ride on the right-hand side. Remember to take a look at your souvenir photo and enjoy the rest of your visit. Thank you for riding the Rail Rider Mountain Coaster at Golden Skybridge. Please exit the ride on the right-hand side. Remember to take a look at your souvenir photo and enjoy the rest of your visit. Thank you for riding the Rail Rider
Happy? Very happy?
Eh, maraw na. So, na, last na to. Ito guys, ito yung pangalawang bridge. Yung una yung aming pinuntahan, nasa malayong yon. Tapos ito naman ang pangalawa. Ito, makikita yung lalim-lalim niya. Yan, oh. Lalim niya. Tayo lang pala. Yan. Ang lalim-lalim niya, oh. Yan, oh. Yan. And then, yan ang kahabaan noon, doon. Yan. Yung sa una, medyo magalaw yung mga kasama ko. Mga kasamahan ko. Kaya, pero steady naman to. Wag lang mauga. Dire-diretso lang naman. Ayan ang top view. Guys, napakaganda dito sa Golden Skyway. Ito, makikita natin yan doon. Makikita natin doon. yun, lugar na yun. Picture be. Ito, doon, oh, yun. Pwede rin doon. Sa top na yun, doon tayo galing. Yan. Guys, pasensya na kayo sa video ko kasi nasa bridge ako. Hindi ko ma-steady yung camera ko. Kasi ito, kung iikot akong ganyan, ito yon 360 degrees. Ito yon. So, babalik na ako. In that way. So guys, ulitin ko, doon ako nagbuwan sa bridge na yon, una. Tapos ito yung pangalawang bridge. Sige, tay. Ah, okay. Eh, nasan sila? O, sige, tatawagin ko. Oo nga, no, habang wala pang tao. O, sige, papas lang ako. Sige, dyan ka lang. Dyan ka lang.
Tawag ka, Beng. Tawag ka. Tawag ka.
O, sige, wait.
Oh, this guy's gonna be salt, right?
Siguraduhin kong
Just
open
make
ang
it
camera.
snap.
Wala naman.
Okay, boys.
Anak, ako swerte mo, anak.
Yeah, sound like
Babawis ka sa akin.
oh, my bum hurts.
Why? Why then? Balas na tayo tatlo. Dalaw yan!
Okay. Ah, I want to get up. I want to get home. Okay, let's go. I want to get home.
That's fun.
All right, good.
Anak, ako muna. Oh.
I want. Oh my gosh. I want to get to the swing. Nika, like, why are you going? Oh, you want to jump out?
Oh no, I'm not.
There's a lot of activities here, like a swing, a chest there, and you can see the tower bricks there. And that and you see. Saka hindi ko rin kaya yan.
Kailan tayo dito?
Ayun, sige. Kaya pag-usawa silang dalawa. This is my best buddy.
Grabe naman to.
So guys, ito yung kasi masama daw yung weather or either not end of the month na kasi magko-close na tong area na to, kaya ay wala na sila. Sayang yung zipline, no? Sayang zipline. It's close. Ito yun. Guys, ito yung mga area din na kanya-kanyang laruan. Ito yung puzzle game. You can see that. It's this one. You can see that. And there's another thing here. Yeah, that's it. Yan. So, balik na ulit. Mga guys, yan o. Malukot naglalakad doon dami o. Yan ang bridge. Listen. Recommended to guys. Ito na yun. Bumalik na kami ulit sa malapit sa main gate. Maraming wall there.
Fries, I'd get some fries.
Tapos ito na yun. Ito yung mga challenge guys. Ito ginawa namin mountain rail coaster, edge challenge, canyon swing is closed, zip line is closed, the sky bridge the way we did. Wala!